It is the 3rd of September today. As autumn is approaching very fast, let's talk about some grafting. Today I am demonstrating how to do ring graft. For that type of grafting, it works the best if scion and rootstock they are equal in size. You can clear a branch of the leaves take the bark off from the branch where you are going to graft. It should peel off easily. So cut the scion, making sure at least it has 2 or 3 buds. So give a cut all the way from top to bottom on the side, making sure that knife stays away from the buds. Peel the bark off. Now the bark has come off. Remove the stick from the middle and you have a ring. Now if you put the ring at the top, keep pushing it down, and wherever you feel it is tight, leave it there. Now you have the choice to move it around whichever direction you want the buds to grow. Now all you need is a bandage around to make it secure so that it doesn't move. Start it from the bottom. Make sure it is tight, holding the bark tightly onto the stick. You can cover the buds if you want to, but make sure after about 4-6 weeks you cut the tape . One hitch and the second one. That will secure the graft. Cut the extra tape. From the top you can cut the exposed wood and cover the top with sealant so that it doesn't dry. Put the date and put a label with date and the variety. Today it is 3rd of September 2015. Now I will do another graft on the other branch using the same technique. Just clear the leaves, cut the top of the branch, start peeling the bark from the top. Take the scion, which should have at least 2 or 3 buds. If you do the same graft in the month of April, you can peel the whole ring without a cut, but now it could be a bit difficult to take the whole ring without giving a cut. So give a cut starting from one side to the other, making sure that the knife stays away from the buds. Just use a knife and separate the bark from the wood. Which should come off easily, but while the trees are growing vigorously like in the month of April, you can just keep pressing and rotating the bark and the whole ring comes off. Now take the wood out, just give it a little bit rotation and the wood separates completely and it will come out. Now that is a cut, but the whole ring is still intact. You can start pushing it down from the top and keep peeling the skin downward. A bit more so that it fits tightly around the wood. Just push it a little bit down to make it extra tight. Cut the extra bark off. Start the bandage from the bottom, going upward, making sure that the ring stays tight, and as you go upward, just keep hold of the ring in closed position. One knot and another one. Cut the remaining tape. Cut the bare wood from the top and seal the top of it so that the top doesn't dry. But make sure the tape is removed after about 4 to 6 weeks. That will complete the graft. You can remove the extra branches so that most of the nutrition, whenever it starts growing, they are directed towards the growth of the new buds. I'll reduce this branch as well.